Hello students, we are solving the IB Math EA May 2024 paper 2 time zone 1 past paper, and today we will be solving the question number 7 of this paper. You will be getting the other solved past paper questions of this paper and of the other papers in form of playlists on my channel NS Online Math Tutoring Classes. You will also be getting playlists where the solved past paper questions will be available based on their topics. I'm Nilanjana Sanyal. I'm an online IB Math EAHL level tutor. In case you want to join my classes, please contact me for more details. My phone number and my website address are displayed at the bottom of the screen. So without any further delay, let us start answering question number 7. The maximum mark is 7. Solve the differential equation dy by dx equal to x plus y given that y equal to 2 when x equal to 0. Give your answer in the form of y equal to f of x. Okay, so what all methods do we know for solving differential equations? First one is Euler's method. We cannot obviously use the Euler's method over here. We are not given those information. Second method is separation of the variables. We will be having all the terms containing y along with dy on one side of the equal to sign, and the other side of the equal to sign will be containing all the terms including the dx part of x. Okay, all the terms containing x and the dx on the other side of the equal to sign. But we cannot do that. We cannot separate the equation in that form. So, what are the two other methods that are remaining to us? One of them is the homogeneous differential equation, where we use the y equal to vx type of a substitution. And we can use this substitution if we can express the dy by dx relation or expression in the form of y over x. But over here, we cannot represent this x plus y in terms of y over x. Okay, so we cannot use this y equal to vx, or this is not a homogeneous differential equation. So the only other method that is remaining to us is the integrating factor method. Okay, so we will be using the integrating factor method. Okay, so first of all, let me write the equation in this form. Dy by dx minus y is equal to x, because the second term should be containing y, and after the equal to sign there should be an expression containing x, okay, or a constant term. So this y can be written as minus 1 times y, and the integrating factor will be e to the power of p dx, where p is equal to negative 1. So in this case it will be e to the power of negative 1 dx. Okay, and dx, it is not dy. Whatever is in the denominator, you will be having that over here. So this will be equal to e to the power of negative x. You don't write the plus c for this integral. Okay, and then we will be multiplying all the three terms of this differential equation with this integrating factor e to the power of negative x. So I am multiplying e to the power of negative x and dy by dx minus e to the power of negative x times y equal to x times e to the power of negative x. Okay, and now these two terms which are on the left hand side of this equal to sign, these two can be combined and written in this form: y e to the power of negative x. Whatever is the integrating factor, you write that and you attach the y to it. It will be the derivative. If you use the product rule, what will it be? It will be, if I differentiate y, so it will be e to the power of x minus x will be staying, and y when differentiated with respect to x will be giving us this term. And next we are differentiating e to the power of negative x. So it will be minus e to the power of minus x and y. You see, this term is this term and this term is the first term. Okay, so first thing you have to get the p value and do this integral, get the integrating factor. Next is you multiply all the terms of the equation by the integrating factor. Third line is you are combining these two terms of which are towards the on the left side of the equal to sign, and you are writing, combining them, you are writing d dx of, it will be the integrating factor and just the y. Okay, you don't have to show this. I have just shown the differentiation, how you are coming to these two terms. If I use the product rule and I differentiate this with respect to x, we get back these two terms. Okay, so we have combined them. I have combined these two terms and I have got a single term, and the right hand side is still the same. And then I will be integrating both sides with respect to x. Dx, and this is x is the power of negative x dx. Okay, and the left hand side, it will be straight away y, because this is the derivative and this is the integral. So you get the expression, just the expression y e to the power of negative x, and this will be equal to the integral of x times e to the power of negative x and dx. And this integral, we have to use the integration by parts method for this integral, because we cannot substitute anything, or we cannot use the partial fraction also. So only other method, the third method that is available, is the integration by parts. So we will be using the integration by parts. And what is the formula for the integration by parts? It is u and v dash. Both u and v dash, these two are functions of x, and these two are multiplied together and is getting integrated with respect to x. This is equal to uv minus u dash v dx. Okay, so this is the formula for integration by parts, and u is the first function. So in order to select the first function, we use the isolate, and the priority goes down this way. This is the highest priority function and this is the lowest priority function. I stands for inverse trigonometric functions, L stands for logarithmic functions, A is algebraic functions, T trigonometric functions, and E exponential functions. And over here we are having x, that is the algebraic function, and e to the power of negative x, this is the exponential function. Since e is above e, therefore this x will be the first function, or u. Okay, so u is equal to x and v dash is equal to e to the power of negative x. U is equal to x, so I need u dash. So u dash means it is the derivative of u with respect to x. So this is this. U dash is equal to 1. And v dash is equal to negative x. So v will be equal to integral of negative x with respect to x, which is equal to negative e to the power of negative x. Okay. So v is equal to negative e to the power of negative x. And then I will be using this formula. So x e to the power of negative x dx is equal to uv. U is x and v is this. So this is minus x e to the power of negative x, and then minus u dash is 1 and v is negative e to the power of negative x dx. Okay, so this is equal to negative x e to the power of negative x, and this is minus, so it is plus e to the power of negative x dx, which is equal to negative x e to the power of negative x, and this one will be negative e to the power of negative x, and ultimately we have to include the plus c. We cannot forget this. So therefore, now I am coming to this statement. It is therefore y e to the power of negative x is equal to negative x e to the power of negative x minus e to the power of negative x plus c. And they have given you the boundary conditions, y equal to 2 when x equal to 0. So y equal to 2 times e to the power of negative 0, so 0, and minus 0 times e to the power of 0 minus e to the power of 0 plus c. So e to the power of 0 is 1 and 2 times 1 is 2. This is 0, this is 1. So this is negative 1 plus c So C is equal to 3. Therefore, y e to the power of negative x is equal to negative x e to the power of negative x and minus e to the power of negative x plus 3. And they have asked us to give the answer in the form y equal to f of x. So I have to have only y over here, not y times e to the power of negative x. So I am dividing the entire equation by e to the power of negative x. So that I get y e to the power of negative x divided by e to the power of negative x will be simple y equal to negative x times e to the power of negative x divided by e to the power of negative x is negative x. Minus e to the power of negative x divided by e to the power of negative x is minus 1. And plus 3 divided by e to the power of negative x is this. So this can be written as y equal to minus x minus 1 plus 3 e to the power of x. Okay. So this will be the answer. So we have completed solving this question number 7. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please like this video in case you have liked my explanation, and please share this video with your friends. Of course, if you like my explanation, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your liking, sharing and subscribing will be really helping me a lot. It will be telling the YouTube that my video is worth watching. So the YouTube will be showing my video to more number of students. So it will really be helping me. We meet again very soon in our next session. We will be solving the next question of the same paper. Till then, bye.